discussing about lab activity. First, we need to understand about what are the steps we need to follow while writing lab activity. So you are writing lab activity notes in formative assessment notes. Okay. Now I am telling you the steps we need to follow while writing lab activity in your FA notes. So what are the steps? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps are there. So first step is aim. What is the first step? Aim. So all lab activity we need to write. The first step is aim. So what is the aim? So what purpose you are doing this activity? So that is not aim. Next, what we need? What is the second step? Material required. For each and every activity, we are taking to what? Some material. So with that material only, with that tools only, we are doing the activity. Material required. And next is precaution. While doing any activity, we need to take some precautions. Without taking precautions, we should not do any activity. Precautions are required. And next one, fourth one is procedure. So what are the steps we need to follow while doing the activity? And that we need to write here in procedure. And next, observation. Next we need to observe. So what you are observing in doing this activity, observations also required. And last one is conclusion or inference. Conclusion or inference. So completing after doing the activity, we need to conclude. We need to give what conclusion or inference. What you are observing while doing this activity. Okay. For example, today I am telling an experiment. That is experiment 1. That is then page number 3. Page number 3. Test for the presence of star. Test for the presence of star. So you know, plants are preparing their own food. Plants are preparing their own food by means of photosynthesis. So leaves are preparing food. So leaves are what? Chloroplasm. Chloroplasm or chlorophyll. Now today's activities, we need to know whether starch is present in leaf or not. That is our lab activity. That is our lab activity. Today's lab activity. So what is the aim of this activity? Presence of starch in leaves. That is our aim. Aim is to test the presence of starch in leaves. So whether starch is present in leaves or not, and that is our aim. For that we need to take what? A leaf from the plant. A leaf from the plant. A tender leaf, a soft leaf, which is well exposed to sunlight. And that we need to take. So aim is to test the presence of starch in leaves. Next, what are the materials required? So what materials are required to do this activity? So here you see leaf is required and beaker is required. So here beaker is there. Here beaker is there.
Start.
Okay. So here what are the materials we need to take here? Leaf we need to take. And beaker. So here there is a beaker. Here the diagram is there. So this is a beaker and that is material. And in the beaker what is there? A test tube is there. A test tube is there. In the test tube what is there? Leaf is there. Leaf is there. So leaf, beaker, test tube, water. So here water is there. And methylated spirit. So in the test tube we are taking what? A chemical. And that is called methylated spirit. And next iodine solution. So here you see. So here you see iodine drop we are adding on the leaf. Iodine. And petri dish. So this is called petri dish. The entire structure is called petri dish. And also burner and also stack. This is burner and this is tripod stack. All these are what? Material required. So here we are taking all these materials to do this activity. And next, precautions. So what are the precautions we need to take while doing this activity? We should be careful while boiling the methylated spirit. So this is spirit. So at the time of boiling the methylated spirit, we should be careful. If it is fall on the skin, it may be burned. So that precaution we need to take. Okay. And next we'll see procedure. So what procedure we need to follow while doing this activity? Now I am telling. So here first we took what? A leaf. So that is it. Take a leaf in a test tube with methylated spirit. So this is a test tube. In the test tube what is there? Methylated spirit is. Methylated spirit is there. In the methylated spirit we need to put what? Leaf. We need to put leaf in the methylated spirit. That is over. Next we need to boil the water. So here this methylated spirit test tube we take in a beaker, and beaker is having what? Water. We should not directly heat the test tube. So here with the help of burner we need to boil the water. So next you see, when we boil the water, what will happen? This leaf loses its color. So what is the color of leaf? Green color. Here in the methylated spirit, after boiling, leaf becomes pale color. Leaf becomes white color, pale color. It loses its color. That means the chloroplasts are dissolved. So that leaf we need to take out of the methylated spirit. Listen, boil the leaf in methylated spirit or the water in the beaker. So after what will happen? After boiling the leaf, it become what? Pale or white due to the removal of chlorophyll. And now we need to take the leaf out of the test tube with the help of a brush and keep it on the petri dish. And later we need to add 1 or 2 drops of iodine on the leaf. And here leaf turn into blue black. So here pale color leaf turn into blue black. And if it turns to blue black, that is telling that leaf is having what? Starch. Leaf is having starch. If starch is present, it will become blue black. If starch is not present, it is not turning into blue black. So here leaves are preparing what? Food. And that food is starch. So in this way, we are doing this activity. So here we conducted what activity now today? Experiment 1. Presence of starch in leaf. Okay, now I am asking some question. So what are the steps we need to follow while writing lab activity? Come on, tell me. So all these are the steps. So here we follow all the steps. So in this way we need to follow the steps and we need to do the activity carefully. Thank you.